So Parengtar, let's give a round of applause to these beautiful girls who are here to perform for us.
We set out on a journey to a small hamlet Parengtar, situated in the Indo-Bhutan border, to celebrate the festivities of Kholey Dai Festival. The weekend getaway with Safar by Mulaqat that starts from Siliguri, and we proceed through Coronation Bridge and the lush green tea gardens and dense forests of tours to finally arrive at Parengtar.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
The festival campsite set up by the Backwoods Adventure Camp is the ultimate place to chill with your own gang or to interact and jam with artists over a bonfire. Kholey Dai is an annual rice harvest ceremony in Parengtar. We experienced living with the community and got a glimpse into the daily life of villagers at the festival. At Kholey Dai Festival, we indulged and explored the traditional cuisines, enjoyed performances of folk artists from all over India and beyond borders. Our days at Parengtar started with the village hikes and a dip in the river, and enjoyed the tunes of folk music as the sun went down. Tobias, तेरो चाहिँ साथीभाइ हो तँहरू? दाजुभाइ को दाजु हो? को दाजु? तँ त हेरेर दाजु छस्। This zero waste homegrown event was steeped in community participation, authenticity, and the culture of the village and its people. As a traveler, you really get to immerse yourself in participating in community practices and learn about their lifestyle in the form of art, culture, food, and music. During our 2 days visit to the festival, we grooved to the folk music of some great artists and bands like Sridhya Sisters, Syam, Indranil and Momita, Anmol Gurung, and The Night. Kholey Dai Festival is not only an event, but a space to learn, explore, and indulge in activities you might never have witnessed before. Kholey Dai Festival is magic.
Tala nangi uyoko pamil nangi kuthaku hangoy ponde nurabi gina waikulam Lilha pakhang
Parengtar, see you next time in Kholey Dai 2023, your annual harvest. and Folk Music Festival. And then, for the last time, by Ekdamai Mutuba Dunga Rakhera. So this is your host, Avinam, signing off from the day from Kholey Dai. Thank you and have a good night. Bright lights off. See you, bye.
And with that, this is a weekend getaway to Kholey Dai Festival with Safar by Mulaqat.
Yes, band.
Namda balam